Consumer, okay, Consumer Act of the Philippines Republic has a Department of Industry o tinatawag nating DTI, Department of Education, that Act of the Philippines or Republic Act 7394. This act protects the consumer against descriptive, unfair, unconscionable sales practice and hazardous and unsafe product and service. Every consumer must know its law that protect their health and welfare. As a consumer, you must exercise your right. You will be able to protect yourself and others by returning faulty products and writing a letter of complaint about the faulty products to the manufacturer, be a vigilant and the wise consumer. Vigilant. Di ba? Oh. Okay. So, sinasabi natin tawag dito, para sa kaligtasan ng consumer, so dapat natin ipatupad ang batas na 7394. Okay? Sabi nga, hindi pwede yung no exchange. Okay? No exchange, no return. So, miski maglagay daw na 7 days sa mga resibo, sa mga bawal daw yan. According the DTI. So, paliwanag yan ng isang attorney nandoon sa TikTok and sa na bawal po yung no exchange, no return. Dapat ay palitan kung ito ay nararapat. So, hindi nagamit na, hindi naman talaga pwedeng ipalit. So, kailangan natin 7394 na batas para sa consumer.